Hi there, welcome to our overview video. In this video, I'll be going over the dashboard and various features on this page. To begin, we have our updates and announcements section to always keep our customers in the loop. We also have upcoming Zoom meetings, today's eClub birthdays, Twitter, and COVID badges. On the right, we also have quick links for your convenience and add-ons that we provide our customers for their websites. Next, I would like to go over the login information in the top right-hand corner. The first link will take you directly to your website in a new tab, as you can see here with our demo website. The next link is an admin button where you can switch to different websites you may have with our company. Click this and all the websites you have with us will be listed where you could easily switch between them. Next, I would like to visit our Help Center. This is a tool for you to use if you have any questions while using our interface. If you can't find the answer or advice you're looking for on this page, feel free to click the icon in the bottom right-hand corner to contact our customer support. I'll be going over the various items in this drop-down menu in the upcoming videos. If you have any questions, feel free to contact customer support or visit our Help Center. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.